Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Suhaila, and my next member is Nur Fatia Zulaika binti Muhammad Syafidi, and the third member is Kak Xiaowei, and next member is Chan Hui Chun, and the last member is Nur Syamimi Surati binti Juani. So we are from Group Simtech, want to present our project about this base application system. So I will explain about the GUI interface or layout. First of all, if you see here, this is the mainframe, which means mainframe. This is the mainframe, and this our paper can get from the resource welcome.png. And the first mainframe have a start button, and when we click a start button, it triggered an action to create a new page. So we click it, and this is the new page, which means it new page will need another frame. So this new page have several button here, which mean have add user record, display record, search record, delete record, save file, and also exit. So this each of this button is using a same font and also same size, which means font we use Anonymous Pro, and the size is 19. So each of these button have their own functional, and this design is maintained is really user friendly for customer. So here they have here is another background, also can take from the results, which means the next background at the results.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatia Zaika binti Muhammad Syafidi. Metric number is 301234. I was about to explain about the functionality for this system. First of all, we have add user record button, display record button, search record, delete record, save file, and exit button. First and foremost, for this add user record, will be used to add an input user record to make sure the program process and the output to the output to the system. Users can input how many customers they want to add, and this program will follow the request which they need to add user ID, username, and unique consume based on how many customers they want. For this display record button, will be applied to display all the customers' information, which is the user ID, username, and unique consume, and also users' customer bill. Include the tariff block, SST, and KWTTB, and also the electricity bill. Okay, next, search record, which is the function will be used to search customer record using their ID to get the whole information, include their ID, name, and unique consume. If the ID not found, the system will display a message that telling the users that the customer record has not found. Okay, next, the delete record. This delete function will be used to delete all the customer detail from the system. To delete the customer's information, users need to input the customer's ID. Okay, so for the next, save file, which will be saved to the file. Okay, and the last but not least, the exit button will be used to exit the system. So thank you for using this. That's all from me.
Hello everyone, my name is Kak Xiaowei, Noble Matrix 299935. In this segment, I will be explaining the user-defined, user class, and the associated calculations for managing user records and their electricity consumption in our Java application. Let's start with the user class. This class represents a user and their electricity consumption details. It has three preliminary attributes, which are user ID, username, and unique consume. Additionally, the user class has a method for calculating the total bill based on the units consumed. Now, let's move on to the calculation methods. These methods are part of the standard tariff calculator class and are used to calculate the bill based on the number of units consumed. For example, The tariff block method calculates the bill based on different tariff blocks. We also have methods for calculating additional charge like SST and KWTBB. Now, let's see the output.
But now I need to explain three things. First is alert list. Second is right part, and the last thing is big part. Talking about the alert list, why we have to do the alert? Because alert for the first we need to declass the people. So uh the big is if we do alert later if we declass 5 people, it's only can receive 5 people response. So when we try to do alert list, the mean is we can try to enter 100 people or unlimited people. The system also can receive that. So this is the reason why we use alert list. Yeah. Last, the second thing is black bar. Okay, for we use the 5 digit data test. So the mean is we like when we enter the anything in our app, this one, we set the bar. So the information will appear in the black bar in here. Okay, and here we have a new the close type of accessory. Okay, uh, because we have used this video, the try test, so the mean is sent when we do the try test, so where this part have applied any mistake, the program can continue to run because we have the test. Okay, so we use the try test is over when we program have the problem, we over the program will direct to stop. It can continue because we use the try test family exception. And here is the next part. So we save our information also will appear in here because we have link bar. Okay. For this part, we also use try catch finally. So it also can avoid the problem appear any mistake. It also can direct to black. So we have to and so link bar and sorry light bar. So light bar it will appear in the this our user data test. And after we link bar, it will appear is here. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you for presenter 4. Now I will explain about exception handling and OOP concept, which is object-oriented programming. So as we all know in Java, errors can occur due to coding mistake and or wrong input, right? So when an error occurs, Java throws an exception which can crash the program. So to try to handle the exception, we actually use try catch finally blocks in this program. So what is try catch finally block? The try block contains the code that might throw the an exception. So while the catch block cache the exception and provide an error message to the user. And the finally block is actually the optional and is used to release the resources. So in our project, we use exception handling in the action perform. This one. So to catch any exception that might occur when handling the button clicks events. So we display an error message to the user if an exceptions occur. Okay. Then we move to the OOP concept. Regarding for OOP concept, we define a user class to represent user with the properties like user ID, username, and unique consumes. Okay, we have a private field and public getter methods in the user class, which is example of encapsulations. So we also use polymorphism in our project and inheritance. So we could have a tariff calculator based class in extend it with the standard tariff calculator derived class. We use an interface tariff calculator with the method calculate bill. So different implementations of this interface, such as standard tariff calculator, provide their own versions of this calculate bill method. So in summary, exception handling and OOP concept are essential in Java programming. They help us write robust and maintain and maintain and able to code. So by handling exception, we can prevent our program from crashing and provide a better user experience. So by using OOP concept, we can organize our code efficiently and promote reusability. Thank you.